Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Beth, and this is MB Gray Designs. I have two thrift flips for you today that I'm really excited to show you. Before we get started, or while I'm painting this picture, rather, by the way, I got the materials at the Goodwill. So I just want to say hi to all my existing subscribers, and I want to thank you for your continued support. It really does mean a lot to me. And if you are new here, just hope that you enjoy my videos and would love to have you as part of my little YouTube family. All right, so I got this picture at Goodwill, as I said, and I am using the Rust-Oleum chalked white linen paint. And honestly, it would have been a lot easier to just spray paint this thing, believe me. But I do live in a condo. It's a little bit harder, whatever. So yeah, I had to paint it. I did use a very would it be fine gray? Yeah, sandpaper. I just wanted to kind of smooth out brush strokes, and so I did that. That was off camera. Now, these ephemera pieces are from Tim Holtz, and they're the wallpaper. It's called like wallpaper ephemera pieces. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I thought it would be a good idea to Mod Podge those on to this picture. And I just randomly did it. I kind of chose the same little color scheme where you can see it's more muted than the bright ones. And I just randomly chose them and Mod Podged them all. And then I Mod Podged all over the whole vase just to seal everything in. So I will let you watch the rest of this. I did use some flowers that I had, and I think it just turned out beautiful. All right, I'll be back with you in just a few. Okay, so this is my second thrift flip. Look at this. This is a magazine rack that I found at the Goodwill. They had a couple. I don't know. I don't always see those there. But anyway, it was pretty plain, just a wooden plain magazine rack. So what I wanted to do is really repurpose this in a whole different way. I don't have a lot of magazines and newspapers that I get, so I wasn't going to use it for the purpose of a magazine rack. But anyway, I decided to paint it in Elephant by Waverly. I was getting low, so I did kind of water it down a little bit, but it actually worked out just fine. So I did two coats. I did sand in between the coats, and I'm using a 220 grit sandpaper, really wanting to smooth out those brush strokes. It just makes it silky smooth because I don't like to see those. But I did also then go to a 150 grit sandpaper and did a little bit more distressing. Now, the wood underneath is a little orangey for my taste. So what you'll see I do after I'm done here is I use white wax. It's by DIY Paint Company, but Waverly has white wax. You can, whatever you want to use. But it seals the piece, which is really important to me. But also where I distressed it, that wood underneath, it kind of lightens it, it gives it more of that white, I guess, farmhousey type of look. All right, so I go through and I white wax everything. The next piece I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sign using Dollar Tree signs, and I'm going to use my Cricut to put on there fresh flower market. Now, I used two signs, and I painted the back sides and kind of sandwiched them together because you will kind of see the back of it. If you look inside the magazine rack, you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. The other thing I want to mention, oh my goodness, I had issues with the vinyl. I don't know. My transfer tape is all messed up, and I've used this transfer tape before and I've really liked it. So it was horrific. I did not I'm not putting you through that. So I did not show that, but just know I struggle all the time. Nothing's perfect. So anyways, I did pull those hangers off. I'm just going to put some little, what is that, joint compound or whatever that stuff's called, kind of fill those in. So yeah, and I'm going to use for this little particle board, I'm going to paint this in the Rust-Oleum white linen, and then the frame that you'll see that these are going to go in will be also the elephant with the white wax, so kind of match. And then I will pop back in to tell you how I did the flowers.
I can't explain, but there's something wrecking ball wrong with me. Oh, hush, don't tell me what's going on. Just hush, don't tell me what's going wrong. Oh, don't make me your victim, pretty please. Hush, don't tell me what's going Hush, don't tell me what's going wrong. Oh, hush, don't tell me what's going wrong. No, don't make me your victim, pretty please. Oh, hush, don't tell me what's going on. I don't need to know. I don't need to know.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt.
Okay, so now what I'm doing is, at first I hot glued this burlap on the back because I thought that's how it would hold. And I guess it could have, but I ended up, I left it on there, but I ended up just using rope. And so I hot glued the rope, and then I was able to tie it, kind of weave it through those little posts and tie it in. I felt like that was more secure. And so you wouldn't need the burlap, but whatever. It doesn't look bad. It just kind of covers everything up anyway. So what I'll do is I'll weave it through. I will tie it in like a triple knot, kind of re-glue down even more the rope. And then, yeah, so it's pretty secure on there. Then what I'm going to do, you're going to see, which is really, I just love this, with the flowers. I picked out some flowers. They were from Amazon, the lilac, and then the baby's breath was from Dollar Tree. You'll see here in a moment. And then the other flowers I got on Amazon, I don't know the name of the flower. It slips my mind, but it's the same type of flower I used in the vase. It's just a different color. And so I took white paper because I didn't have craft paper, and I kind of made 3 different bundles, and I wrapped them up to make it look like if you're walking by at a flower market and picking up a bundle of, a bunch of flowers or whatever, a bundle of flowers. What would that be called? A bundle of flowers? You know what I mean? And so I have them stacked, like 3 of them in the magazine rack, and I thought it turned out so cute. Anyway, so you'll see some pictures at the end. But that is how I finished off the magazine rack, and I so hope that you love and liked whatever the picture and the magazine rack. Please let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. What would you do with the magazine rack? I'm kind of curious. And let me know how you liked it. All right, I love interacting, so please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, and I really hope that everybody has a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you wanna carry on? Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder, and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder, and let's enjoy the ride.